shooting from the hip, if you have a habitable 1985 mobile home on land over in this area, it's probably going to be worth at least $50,000 to $75,000. Because because
Wow.
what are they paying for in rent at an apartment, right? So if this 2 or 3 bedroom home, even in an area over there, they're going to pay $1,000 or more for rent. And it's already known, like through surveys and things like this, that a majority of people would prefer to live in a mobile home over an apartment. Ceilings, they've got their own driving space, and they can own the home. It is a better product. It may need some work. I'm just telling you, there's some potential here. You're just going to have to anchor,
Okay.
fill them out. If it seems like even reasonable, then we need to put it under
Your
contract
contract. Yeah.
and prep him simultaneously. And then we need to get information. We need to get data, number of homes, serial numbers, the ownership. It looks like his ducks may be in a row with the home, so that's good. Now they're all classified as real property, so that makes things much easier for you. And we start looking at the numbers. How long has this tenant been here? What are they paying in rent? Are they interested in buying? All that kind of stuff, because he's probably just landlord modeling it, and a recommendation will be convert to an owner finance model